Ako lang itlog eh. Sergio na. 6 lahat kay Sergio eh.
Ha?
6 na lahat sa'yo. Sa akin, isa lang. Wala pa talaga. Itlog. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Nainggit din ako. Kala mo lang. Alright guys, early. 30 minutes before 1 hour. Yan. Fully check. Buhay pa. Sergio, shout out.
Swerte lang.
Alright. Sergio, ano sabi mo sa fishing natin?
Okay naman.
Okay naman?
Kahit na puro hito.
Wow, lastik na hito yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 na hito. Ano ba naman yan? Pero huli check. Ito yung huli check namin. Sir John, do the honors. Ayan, do the honors, Sir John.
Holy check!
Ayan, guys. Yan yung huli check namin. Pero kahit naman ganyan kaming huli, andito pa rin yung mga hito ng puti na. Wow, lastik kaya. Nagkalat kaya sa buong mundo. Tugs. Yeah. Alright, take it out. Right. Let's go. Set up tayo, guys. Medyo mainit, pero still good. First of all, the hair. The hair. Important. Sir John, kamusta? Shout out, Sir John.
Hello!
Ayan o, nagre-ready na si Sir John. Naglalagay na ng panglagayan ng rod. Right, so yun guys, dito tayo sa Jeddah fishing spot. Again, maraming tao, sobra.
Hello, nasaan?
Ayan, shout out Sir John, shout out!
Hello, Martilyo!
Alright, so let's set up. And first, the hair. And then the get up. Yeah, the get up. Kasi mainit. Mainit ang malamig. Right, first of all, our setup. Try nating magparamdam muna. 1 rod muna tayo. We got 4 rods. The setup is single hook right through the stone. Only single hook, kalas. Okay, let's go. Right. Yeah, ang ganda ng place. Magandang weather. Tapos nakapag-setup na si Jun, shout out!
Hello, shout out!
May upuan na si Jun. Tapos makaready na yun. Alright. Tapos, pursa ko alright. And then, pain pala. Alright, we start pain. May ice tayo. May tubig. May kape. And meron tayong for sugar, we have our Coke. Sponsored. Baka naman. Now, let's try first. I usually try to do the shrimp. But now, let's try to do the squid. Alright, kalimutan ko pala yung gunting. Gunting guys, kailangan natin ng gunting. I need a gunting. Let's go. Aba, may payong pa. Alright, dito tayo guys sa Jeddah fishing spot. The weather is so nice. Ikot. Aywa. Alright, so let's try to set up here. Dito tayo. Okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Nainggit din ako, kala mo lang. Alright guys, early. 30 minutes before 1 hour. Yan. Fully check. Buhay pa. Sir John, shout out.
Swerte lang.
Alright. Yan. Against the light? Or dito tayo? Dito. Huwag tayo against the light. Try to fix the camera. And let's start fishing. First off, saan yung gunting? Ito yung gunting. And let's try to do squid. For today's video, we'll try to do squid. And let's try to catch fish. Please, no catfish. First off, let's chop down the squid in bite pieces. Yeah, double size. Medyo may kamahalan siya. It's a little bit expensive, but what to do? It's always like that. You want to do fishing, you need to spend a little bit of money. Right, let's go. Aray, matanda na ako. All you wanna do is meet me at the... So this is the Okuma setup I bought from Himarin Hub. The other one got broken, but they will just, they said they're gonna replace it. Let's see. Alright, for the first cast for today's video is Okuma setup, and with the 3000 reel. Yeah, right. With the bait of we call it squid. That's right. Hooking up the hook size. Let's check. Let's go. First of all, so let's try to do 2 points of baiting. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's try. Cast. Sana makauli ng malaki. I'm hoping to get a sea bream and maybe a queenfish and a Nora. Nora is nice. Let's go. First cast. Okuma. That's a nice cast. That's very nice cast. It's very nice cast. But you have to align make sure you align the rings, because you will have trouble with that later on. Okay, so we set up this one. Abo, may payong. Ang galing ni Suna. Right. Just try to feel. Okay. So let's just adjust the drag. What happened? Ang init ah. My skin is burning na. Oh my god. I need to have some jacket. Okay. Yeah, that's done. That's bottom of the sea. So let's try to switch sides. Let's put it here. Nice. Let's try the second rod with the same bait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Pata. Yeah, this is a short one. This is the hour liner that I have, but I'm using the Okuma Saiyan camouflage version, limited edition from Okuma, or from Marine Hub, sorry. And yeah, let's try to put some bait. I know, got one. Bait on. We're trying to do the squid bait. Let's see if this can get some fish. If not, I'll just cook it afterwards. Okay. Let's cast on the other side. So that's it, and hope we could catch some fish. Ang init, so now we wait. Yeah, out. See you. All right, so we got this free rod given to me. It's a free rod. It's called how do you call this? Windsor 300. Is given to me by a friend here I met in, I forgot the name. I'm very bad with names. And let's try to cast if this works. Let's see. Alright, so we've done setup. I set up 4 rods. And si Jun, dalawa. And then this is the view. Alright, and Jun created this payong. Jun, shut up! May payong dyan. May payong dyan, gawa ni Jun. Tapos kami nakaupo. Yan, chill lang guys. chill lang. Masaya, dapat masaya. Right, let's wait for the fish. Sana makauli. Yeah. Aywa. Ayun. Queen fish nga. Natumbok mo na. Ay tawag dyan? Second catch?
Second catch of the day.
Alright.
Sabaw.
Ano yan? Aywa. Lalo. Ulo, naputol. Sayang. Sakit sa sana. Sayang. Nandiyan na sa gilid. Anong kain mo?
Shit.
Sayang. Try tayo, lapit tayo sa gilid. Wow! Queen! Queen fish. Nasa gilid lang? Sasabihin.
First catch of the day!
Ay, wow! Butik na yan.
Hinahabol ng mga lapis.
Alright. Bigat. Yan na. Baka sumabit. Sabit sa dalawa. Pangalawa. Pinfish. Alright. Nauntok pa. Alright. O, sige John, cheers.
Cheers.
Ay, wow! Queen!
Hindi ko natatanggal.
Doon ka, mag-touch ka doon.
Ayun.
Alright. Oh, malaki! Malaki! Ay, wow! Queen!
Hindi ko natatanggal.
Doon ka, mag-touch ka doon. Matik na yan, sunod-sunod. Sunod-sunod guys, si Sir Jun lang sa kalam. Yung kapila namin, naiingit na.
Aray.
Pero Sir Jun, kunin mo to. Kasi, kailangan ng plies. Ay, okay na. Nadali ko na. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Nainggit din ako, kala mo lang. Alright guys, early. 30 minutes before 1 hour. Yan. Fully check. Buhay pa. Sir Jun, shout out.
Swerte lang.
Alright. Reload. Oh, 5 na agad. Where are you? Didaw. Nawala. Yun lang.
Nard, shout out Nard.
Show me the meaning of being lonely. Pa, nakadali na naman si Juno. Ay, wah! Ay! Ano yun? Stripes! Right. Maliit!
Malaki yan!
Malaki yan!
Oo, malaki yan!
Fish coming.
Malaki to. Ito yung pampaksiw. Ganito talaga ang size nito.
Malaki nga no. Very nice. Sabi si John.
Swerte lang.
Sir John, let's go. Where is it? Sea bream. Queenfish. Parang wala Stripe. Asan? Mashallah, too much
dito.
big.
Utang niya na gito.
Too much big. Alright. Hindi. Tinga.
Putang niya na mo.
Ano sabi mo?
Putang niya na mo.
Ito. Plastic oh.
Ay ba, ano na?
Sira na?
Oo.
Deng deng dereng deng dereng deng dereng deng dereng. Yan. Aw! Oh, baka maputol. Ay, pumutok na si John.
Baho.
Oh, mabaho na yan. Matagal na yan. Balik. Tapan mo na. Mabaho si John. Inga. Catfish again.
Ari ko.
Putik na yun.
Mabigat ang puta.
Mabigat. Tapos,
Ano ba, nasabit.
nasabit.
Oo.
Sa akin.
Oo.
Sa kanduli pa. Steak. So John, ano sabi mo sa fishing natin?
Okay naman.
Okay naman?
Kahit na puro hito.
Wala, stick na hito yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 na hito. Ano ba naman yan? Pero holy check. Ito yung holy check namin. So John, do the honors. Ayan, do the honors sa John.
Holy check!
Ayan, guys. Yan yung holy check namin. Pero kahit naman ganyan kaming huli, andito pa rin yung mga hito ng putina. Wala, stick kaya. Nagkalat kaya sa buong manda. Tugs. Yeah. Alright, thank you Lord. Bah, nagtapon pa. Last tapon daw.
Last tapon. Alright,
Alright, here we go. Mga sibrim. Alright, pero ako magliligpit na ako. Bye. Bahala ka dyan sa